life don't scatter finish. I no see money eat again. EFCC and Nigerian government don't scatter my life. Nobody they spray money again. I go club last Sunday for Owerri. They book me for appearance. I was very entertaining. I was vibing with everybody, giving everybody attention. Bobo. Now so people where they sell money, they carry money up and down, One single person no agree back. Everybody they fear EFCC. Naira mutilation. You go social media, all the big social lights. Now so then they carry them left and right. Oh John Atwoni who are us. My life don't scatter. I'm a genuine artist, genuine entertainer. I need spray money. That's how I eat. Minus the booking fee. Spray money is a big part of my income. See Nigerian government genuine income. Now they no one make I collect again. Eh? Men they fear club, nobody wants spend. Men they fear okay, Burugi. I tell you we are in bondage. Now because of us, now they do party pass. Now because of us, they make that law. If you spread money, you go to prison. It makes sense. How can I show my friend and my neighbor say I be big man? By wasteful spending, a man's natural setting, a man's natural place is greater than. How can I show say I big past the next man when I can't even spray my money? For Lagos, there is strip club everywhere. How stripper won't collect her money? Is it better if stripper become a kidnapper? Stripper suppose collect her money with her head standing on her head. How is a stripper supposed to pick her money? So stripper no go eat again because of Nigerian government and the EFCC. I no go eat again. Working musician. You are destroying my income. Me when no commit any crime, all I did is entertain people. They compensate me for the entertainment. You lock them up. So it's okay if I turn into Yahoo. Nobody spray me penny on Sunday. 1 naira I don't make.